Hey, welcome back to Crypto Riches with me, Delshad. This channel guides you through everything A to Z in the world of crypto. And today we're diving into one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the market, BNB and the Binance Smart Chain. If you're curious about how BNB works, what the Binance Smart Chain is all about, and how this could impact your crypto investments, you're in the right place. Let's go. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, let's kick things off by understanding Binance. It's one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges and basically the go-to platform for millions of traders. On Binance, you can trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a ton of others, and it's basically like the Amazon of crypto trading. BNB or Binance Coin is Binance's native cryptocurrency. It actually started on the Ethereum blockchain like many cryptos do, but it later moved to Binance's own blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. So why should you care about BNB? Well, BNB is super handy on the Binance platform. You can use it for a bunch of stuff like reducing your trading fees when you pay with BNB, using it to participate in token sales, and pay for different services across the Binance ecosystem. Okay, now let's talk about the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC as it's called. Think of BSC as a faster and cheaper alternative to Ethereum. It's a blockchain that supports smart contracts and dApps, decentralized applications. And the reason why people love it is because of the low fees and the fast transactions. You're not paying an arm and a leg for transactions like on Ethereum, and the speed of the transaction is lightning fast, making it perfect for things like DeFi, decentralized finance. BSC uses a consensus model called Delegated Proof of Stake, DPoS. Yeah, I know it sounds technical, but here's what you need to know. It's a bit more centralized compared to Ethereum, but that's what makes it faster and more efficient. Let me tell you how it works. If you hold BNB, you can stake your coins to earn rewards, and validators confirm transactions, and even if you're not one of the top holders, you can delegate your coins and still earn some staking rewards. It's like being part of the action even if you're not in the front row. Okay, let's move on and talk about tokenomics real quick. BNB has a total supply of 200 million tokens, but here's the interesting part. Binance regularly buys back and burns a portion of these tokens to reduce the supply. This could potentially increase the value of the remaining tokens over time, making BNB something worth holding if you're in it for the long run. Aside from reducing trading fees, BNB has a lot of use cases. Whether you're staking, trading, or even dipping into NFTs or DeFi, BNB is finding more and more places to shine. So that's BNB and Binance Smart Chain in a nutshell. Whether you're just starting out or you're already deep into the DeFi game, it's worth paying attention to what Binance is doing with its ecosystem. They're changing the game for traders, developers, and people like investors. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. There's plenty more content coming your way, and one important note to always have with you is to make sure that you always do your own research. Thanks for watching, and as always, may your wallets be full and your trades be smooth. See you in the next video. Have a good one.